with you. Ron, how about at NASA? Give us your top two priorities over the next 6 months.
So, Luke, it's a good question. I think our number one thing is the cultural shift. You know, this is a strength of the agency. It's also the weakness of the agency. A lot of our folks really are taking personal ownership of their data. So that is great because it shows that commitment to mission. It shows that linkage to why they're there. But it's also a hindrance when we have to sort of share it across the enterprise. So that cultural shift of why we're doing this is really, really important. You know, to share it for the greater good. But we're shifting to making the awareness of we are one agency. You know, a lot of folks have worked in NASA for many, many years. We are the number one agency according to the FEF score across government right now. So there is that definite long-term commitment to mission, but that cultural shift is really, really important for us, the awareness of why we're doing it. And then secondly is data protection. You know, we want to make sure we do classify things properly. We put the right protection around our data. Our largest data set in NASA is our scientific data, and we have petabytes and petabytes of data actually available to the public. You know, so that's the largest data set, but we don't need quite the same protection of that than we do to, you know, some of our partner data, for example. You know, we have our public-private partnerships right now we're doing with companies such as SpaceX and Boeing, where we do have their proprietary data, you know, that we have to protect, and what do we need to share and how we need to share it is something we're really looking at. And then I touched on standards and interoperability. That's a core thing that we're doing, is how are we going to move data between the purpose-built containers initially, so it's a phased approach, to more open standards and interoperable standards. So those are our top three things.